of special cells forming a vascular tissues transport water and minerals to all the cells of the plants. There are two types of vascular tissues are xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water and minerals obtained from the soil, whereas phloem transports products of photosynthesis from the leaves to other part of the plant. Xylem conduct water and minerals in one direction only, is a unidirectional flow, whereas the phloem conduct food substance in both upward and downward direction. Xylem is the vascular tissue extending from top to bottom of the plant. Here you can see the xylem. It extends from top to bottom of the plant. Through it present throughout the plant, like roots, stem, leaf, everywhere it is present. It helps in the transport of water molecules and dissolved substance from the root. Okay. Help root hairs to aerial part of the plant. So plant absorb water and minerals through the root from the root hair to, and it transport the water and minerals to aerial part of the plant. Okay. Xylem mainly comprises of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem sclerenchyma. It consists mainly of four parts: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem sclerenchyma. So xylem, tracheids and vessel help in the conduction of water and minerals. Okay, whereas sclerenchyma provide the flexibility and rigidity to the plant. Transport of xylem is unidirectional. Okay, means from bottom to top. Okay. Xylem mostly occupies the center of the vascular bundles, whereas the phloem occupies the edges of the vascular bundle. So xylem transports water and minerals from the root to the leaves. Here you can say it transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaf. Okay. Vessels, tracheids of the roots, stem and leaves are connected. Vessels and tracheids of the root, stem and leaves are connected to form a continuous system in xylem cells to transport water to all the parts of the plants. Okay. So vessels, tracheids of the root, stems and leaves are connected to form a continuous water column to transport water to all the parts of the plant. Cells in the root which are in contact with the soil take up ions, minerals, which creates a difference of concentration between the root and the soil, and therefore water moves upward. Water moves to the root to eliminate the differences. Water is moved into xylem of roots and from where it is pushed upward.